Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been thinking about starting affiliate marketing, one of the best networks to join in 2025 is Shareasale. They've got thousands of merchants across every niche: fashion, tech, finance, web hosting, and more. But here's the catch: getting approved can be a little tricky if you're just starting out. So in this video, I'll share some proven tips to get approved by Shareasale in 2025, even if you're a beginner. First, let's talk about why Shareasale is worth it. They've been around for over 20 years, they pay on time, and you'll find both small niche programs and big-name brands. If you're serious about affiliate marketing, this is a network you'll want in your portfolio. Now, here are some tips to help you get approved. Have a professional-looking website or blog. Shareasale wants to see that you're a real publisher. Make sure your site has at least 5 to 10 pieces of quality content before applying. Pick a clear niche, whether it's tech reviews, fashion, fitness, or finance. A focused niche shows Shareasale that you'll promote their merchants in a relevant way. Add essential pages. Include an About Me page, a privacy policy, and a contact page. These make your site look trustworthy and professional. Be honest in your application. Don't exaggerate your traffic or experience. Just explain how you plan to promote offers, blog content, YouTube videos, social media, or email lists. Start small, then scale. Once you're approved, apply to individual merchants within Shareasale. Some brands auto-approve while others may review your site manually. And here's a bonus tip: if you don't get approved the first time, don't give up. Improve your site and try again after a few weeks. Persistence pays off in affiliate marketing. So, there you go. Those are my top tips to get approved for the Shareasale affiliate program in 2025. Hit the link in the description to apply and start building your affiliate income. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more affiliate marketing tips, and let me know in the comments if you've been approved by Shareasale or which niche you're focusing on. See you in the next one.